Hey loves, welcome back to my channel guys. Let's go shopping to this fabric items products in Alaba market in Imo State. Join me guys as we go to this place. This is the first time I'm going into this Alaba market as I visited Imo State. This is my hometown, and I said since we talk about how to start a business, this is one of the business I will recommend somebody that is looking for a business to start a fabric business. Fabric business is one of the lucrative and a very profitable business that I will definitely recommend somebody to start. And this business, whether you are a fashion designer, is very good for you. You are into sewing and you also are looking for something new to add up. This is a very good business. And I'll also not forget to tell you that this business is very highly competitive, and the competition and the demand is very high. So right now I'm going to give you on a very short guide on how you can actually start your fabric business or clothing business. This business, actually, if you don't have money to start this business, you can also go into drop shipping to start this fabric or clothing business. And you can also start your print on demand. You can also do this business just for personalized use. People can also give you items and you personalize them and sell. You can also do your own labels into this fabric and clothing business. This is a very good business I would also like you to do if you are very confused, you don't actually know what to do. So whether you're looking for a low quality or a high quality fabrics, definitely you're going to see it in this particular market. And there are countries that you can also source for these items. So right now, guys, I'm going to take you on a small guide on how you can actually start selling this fabric business. And any business that makes you money, there are quite lots of businesses and you can actually cash out that can actually make you money. Another thing, it depends on how unique and how you are doing your business. You can also decide to go online. You can decide to go offline doing this fabric business. Why people always talk about online business is because there are quite lots of audience in online space. There are lots of people, customers that you can actually find in the online space just in a twinkle of an eye. So guys, let me guide you on this guide on how you can actually start a fabric business, which is a very lucrative business that can actually make you money, give you a stable income. So while starting a fabric business, the first thing that you need to actually understand is to find your niche and what kind of fabric business do I want to start. Because there are quite lots of fabrics that you can actually sell. People sell laces, people sell like sample materials, people even buy belts, people buy for school uniforms, people buy for two-piece, people buy for different activities. So you need to find out the kind of materials, fabrics, clothing that you actually want to sell. This is the first thing that you actually need to consider. Because for sure, you cannot serve everybody and you cannot sell everything. If you sell everything, you definitely are going to lose money. So you actually need to find out the kind of fabrics that you actually want to start. And the second thing that you need to understand and put in place is to know your target audience. Who are these items, these fabrics, this clothing, who are they meant for? So this is what you actually need to find out, who your fabrics businesses are made for, because you cannot serve everybody. So this is what you need to consider, put in place.
This one is okay. First. And go with this one. Instead of this one has too many flowers.
And the next step you need to take is to find your suppliers. Where do I get my suppliers from? If you are in Nigeria, we have a Aba market, we have that's Abia State, we have Anambra market, Onitsha market, and we also have markets in Lagos that are into fabrics. And if you're not in Nigeria, there are different countries that you can actually source for items. Like in Turkey, you can source your items, your fabric items. In UK, You can source in Ghana, you can source in Nigeria, and you can also source in Morocco. You can also source your fabric items in China and also in Italy and United States. And let me not forget Bangladesh. You can also source your items, your fabric clothing items in Bangladesh and also in Vietnam. All of these countries, if you have suppliers there, it is a very, very good one. Some of them also are online, so you can also go and look for them if you're interested in starting this business. And once you get your suppliers, it's not going to be hard for you. Whether you want to do online shopping or you want to start online sell, you can also open your website to be able to market your items. So once you get your items, you understand, get your supplier, the next thing is to start marketing and to start promoting this your fabric business. And before you know it, depend on how you do your item, you start making money. This is a very, very sure business that I can also recommend for people who are looking for businesses to start. If you're confused, just like I mentioned in previous on when I was starting this video, I said if you're looking for something to do, this business is a very, very good one to start. So guys, follow me and let's watch as we shop for items here in this Alaba market. Let's go.